Hi friends, I received this tool that is used to make holes in leather, paper, or plastic materials. It is useful because when you need to make a hole in any material, sometimes you end up using a screwdriver or something like this. This is a nice accessory to do it yourself in a very straight way, okay? Let me show you. This is the instruction manual, okay? You have a, size guide to know how to use it. You get a small ruler to measure the distance between the holes, for example, some scissors and a point accessory. Small screwdriver if you need it. Let's try it. As you can see, you have different sizes for different hole sizes, large ones or smaller ones, depending on the kind of hole that you want to do. You have a size guide here, okay? You're going to use this one. And here you can have this metal tip. You have some extra ones. So the hole is made perfect, okay? You are just going to do this and drill the hole, okay? Then we are going to do an extra hole in this leather belt, okay? So you can use the ruler to size it perfectly, okay? You measure exactly 3 centimeters, okay? So it's in the middle, okay? Then you measure the 3 centimeters. So it's going to be this big hole. And you mark it with this accessory, okay? Now we have the mark where the new hole is going to be. We are just going to put it in the metal base and punch it like that. Great. So easy to do it. It makes a perfect hole both sides. And you are able to continue to use your belt if you need to change the size. You can use it with regular paper. For any reason you need holes like this. You see, it's a perfect hole. You can even use it on plastic like this eyewash stencil. Let's do it. We're going to do another hole here. Okay, we are going to mark it as we did the last one. Okay, and we are going to use a smaller size. Okay, we're going to try this one. Okay, you see, it's a little small. We are going to do a larger one. That's the size, about the same size as the other holes. So you can really repair any leather good, make extra holes in your belts, in your watch bands, in your pets' collars, anything that is leather and needs new holes. This is a great accessory, even on paper. It's a great accessory to do it, okay? So if you need this for your home, for your office, for your small leather workshop, it's a great unit and a great option. Thank you. Finally, you can clean your tool with this one, okay? So depending on the tips you use, you can use this one to clean it and get rid of the debris that are there. Here you have the debris from 2 of the holes that we did, okay? One from the belt. Perfect. Thank you.